Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the dispenser drawer insert in your washer. The reason why you might have to do this is because it's broken, damaged, or missing. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this will be the washer that we're using for this demonstration. It's a Kenmore, and keep in mind yours at home might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same technique should still apply. So we're going to open up our dispenser drawer here, and then you're going to need to push down on the tab right here, and that frees the drawer to come out all the way. And now we'll take out the bleach and softener tray right here, separates those, and this is our old drawer insert, so we can take that out. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement dispenser drawer insert. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So the new insert is just going to go right in that slot right there where the old one was, and then we can put our bleach and softener piece right there, and that slides into place, and then we can put the drawer back inside. That'll click in so you know it's nice and secure, and then you can push the door closed and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.